Welcome to YouNeedGadget. The internet is full of useless gadgets. I look for the ones that actually make life better. If your car doesn't have a modern infotainment system, this could be one of the easiest ways to upgrade it. This 10.26-inch portable screen brings wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to your car, so you can use your favorite apps on a much larger display. You can access navigation, music, phone calls, and other compatible apps without replacing your car's original stereo. Just connect your phone and use the large screen to make your daily drives more convenient. Need directions? Open your favorite navigation app and see everything clearly on the 10.26-inch display. You can also listen to music, make hands-free calls, and use voice control to keep your attention on the road. But this isn't just a CarPlay screen. This version can also be used with a dual camera system, including front and rear recording, adding extra functionality to your car. The built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity make it easier to connect with compatible devices, while the portable design means you don't necessarily need to replace your entire dashboard system. It's a pretty interesting option for older cars that don't have a modern touchscreen but still deserve a tech upgrade. Instead of buying a completely new stereo, this device gives you a large display, smartphone connectivity, navigation, and camera support in one compact unit. For anyone who spends a lot of time driving, this could make the car feel much more modern without completely changing the original interior. And honestly, compared to replacing an entire infotainment system, this looks like a much simpler solution. I definitely consider one for an older car. Link in the description.